everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Izodua and this is Zodi's Lifestyle. If you're just joining me for the first time, you are welcome. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing something nice, something special. It's a kitchen utensils. Can you guess what it is? Before you guess, don't forget to like, subscribe. The main thing is for you to subscribe and click on the notification bell on the right side of subscribe button. Please guys, I'm gonna give you like 3 seconds to click on that subscribe button. Have you done that? Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you. So based on one of the videos that I did in unboxing my Bella Pro blender, I saw that people love that video, so I decided to do another one just because I needed a new. My previous pot unboxing my pot set video, I made you guys to know that I really want to do. I hope let me see okay, it's working. All right guys, I just want to make sure that my microphone is working. So I remember I talked about, I'm tearing up because I have allergies, so sorry guys. I'm going to be touching my eyes a little bit more. So, I digressed. I said I was going to be getting more set of pots because I cook a lot. And I'm going to be doing my weekly bulk cooking again. My son is here. So, yes, that's why I decided to come again to open another set of pots that I've been talking about, that I really want to get another set of pots, maybe stainless steel. So I've been looking at some stainless steel pots, guys. These things are expensive, but they have some cheaper ones. Before I get the more expensive one, I decided to, you know what, get the cheaper one to see how well I like it, because I've seen some reviews, even on the expensive ones, people are saying the food sticks to the pot. So I'm like, but I still wanted to, let me buy the one that is not that expensive, that has good enough reviews. So I decided to get this one. Let me show you. Drum roll, please. I got this from Amazon. Let me see if I can take a picture of this. Ooh. This is my thumbnail. I bought this from Amazon and I saw good reviews. I checked other cheaper ones that have some bad reviews, bad. But this one, I'm going to put the link. I'm not an affiliate yet. Hopefully one day I'm going to be an affiliate. This one was on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below. I'm also going to, what else? Write out just mainly the link, because that's what I know that you guys would want to check out. And well, I'm not just going to be unboxing. On another video, I'm going to show you with my weekly bulk cooking video. I'm going to be using the pots just to show you how well it works. If it's worth it or not. Is it worth it or not? Right? Okay. So let's just unbox the camera I'm using. Hey, put it on the way. I'm using an actual camera. I'm not using my phone this time around. I have a camera that's like DJI. Is it DJI or whatever? But this one is called audio. It moves around. So if it's moving around, just know that it's that type of camera, but the cheaper version. But it's clear enough. It's 5K. So okay. So this is the pot. I'm gonna quickly show you before I go pick up my kids. So it's let me just read out. It's called induction compatible 6 pieces stainless steel cookware set. That's what they say it is. It says premium quality stainless steel cookware, heavy duty encapsulated base and riveted stainless steel wire handle, suitable to all cooktops. We'll see about that in another video. Okay, I'm just going to be showing you the pots. So it says it put the images here: gas, all electric, halogen, induction. So basically, all cookware, all cooktops or stovetops. Okay, I like the packaging, first of all. I mean, I guess that's the way they package almost all pots now. But this one does not have the pot base. How do they call it? The one that, let me just show you. Something like this. It does not have this one. So that's the only difference. But for what's it called? For, I think, ceramic, it has this. I guess. Not all pots, but the ones I bought has that one. And I've been seeing some reviews that their cookware set is not complete. Hopefully my wine is complete. Hopefully mine is complete. So it has a glass top. Okay. That's good, I guess. We'll see about that. At least you'll be able to see your food as it's cooking, right? Okay. So let me get all this stuff out first. It has all the handles. Okay. They are small pots. They're not big. If this one works for me well, I'm eventually going to buy the big ones because I'm going to be cooking in like big bulk. Okay, so there are 3 pots. I bought this set of pots for $37. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, $37. I bought this pot set of pots. This is the biggest one. Whoa, it reminds me of the pot, something like the pot that my mom used back in Nigeria. Maybe she used aluminium. Yeah, but it looks like something like that. This is a wide pot. I can cook some, small stew for 3 days or 2 days with this one or something like that. I can cook a decent soup with this actually. It looks so good. It looks really, really good. It feels heavy a little bit, not too light. Wow. That's how it looks. And it's a classic style cookware. So this one, I'm going to open this small one last. So this is another one. The one next to this one. I can cook noodles. I can cook something, anything inside this pot. And it's small, as you can see. See? It's small. But it's deep. It's small, it's like in size, but it's deep. Let me just show you. Not the whole of my palm, just to show you. Okay. This one is wide. It's deep and wide. Okay. But it's more wide than this. This one is just deep. So that's that. This is the smallest one. This is the third one. The smallest one. You need to look at the camera, the lens, not the screen. In my videos, I keep looking at this one has a handle that it's so nice. It's so good. Ooh, look at the handle. It looks so nice. It's so nice. So my next video, I'm going to show how I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be cooking some yummy stuff. I'm going to show you this is too hot. If the handle is too hot, I'll let you know in the video. Okay. So this is the top. I'm going to see if it's complete. Hopefully mine is complete, but many people have been complaining. My background is a little rough. Don't mind us. Okay, I'm going to start with the big one. This one will require screw. It will require screw. But this is how it is. This one. And this is complete. Yay! It's complete. Okay. It makes me feel better. It's complete though. I'm just gonna screw it right now. So once I finish assembling this, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know. So I'm gonna show you the pot once I'm finished assembling. Once I finish assembling the pots, the cover.
direction, searching for what's calling me. At the end of the day, it's another lap. Ooh. So stop calling, stop texting, I'm not sure where I'm at. Finding what's been hogging my mind ain't simple. And I know it ain't fair to cut off that. At the end of the day, gotta ask myself, where am I now? If I look, I can find it out. If I step back from the mirror, will I see it clearer? Where am I now? And if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way,